Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will be showing you how we can disable reverse DNS resolution. Now, when we give out a IP as a target to an Nmap, it will look for the DNS information for that IP. Let me show you an example. I'm using this website to look out the DNS information, okay? And I will be using a IP. Let me use this IP, okay? I will be copying it, okay, and I'm using this site which is research.domaintools.com, and I will simply paste that IP here and I will search for it. So basically we are doing who is lookup for this IP, okay, which will give us the DNS information regarding this IP, that is the domain name service. So I'm not a robot, okay, please verify, go. So this is the information we are getting from this IP, okay, and it has done DNS lookup, okay, DNS reverse lookup for, and it has resolved the host information that it belongs to scanme.nmap.org. Okay, so this same thing is by default enabled in the Nmap. Okay, so why we want to disable this service inside the Nmap? Now suppose you are a part of a local network, okay, you will be having a list of IPs and you don't care about the DNS information, then you can just disable it, because it will save a ton of time for getting the final scanning results. So let me show you how we can do that inside the Nmap. Let me minimize this and open the terminal, and let me first show you that by default Nmap will scan for DNS. So I'm giving command that is nmap space, and I will be pasting the same IP here. Okay, so this is the IP, okay, and let us hit the enter. And for the comparison, I will be opening a new window here, okay, and we will be typing command in this terminal, the second terminal. Okay, so let me show you the command, okay, that is nmap space minus sign small n and space our target IP, and we'll be pasting it and hitting enter. So we will wait for the result. Till then, let's have a look at what result we have got for the regular default nmap scan. So you can see in the third line we have the nmap scan report for scanme.nmap.org. That means the nmap has done reverse DNS resolution for this IP, but when we will disable it, you can see the difference in this line. We are not getting this information, right? This scanmap.nmap.org, sorry, scanme.nmap.org. You can compare this line. We don't have this information. That means you can disable reverse DNS resolution by this command while testing internal network or local network, okay, when you don't require this information, and by the end of the result it will save your a lot of time.